Namaste, fellow yogis. Hi. How are you? How's it going? What are you feeling? Does it feel like there's been so much upheaval, like a death? For a lot of us, we are experiencing a ripping of the very fabric of what we thought we once were into the new. And yet, we're grieving still the past or what we feel we've lost. But it is in a disguise of what is possibly better. So letting go isn't easy. I understand. Surrender is so complex. Yes, it is. It is in our nature to grow and to awaken. You can resist, and often people do, and take a more challenging path as opposed to going with the fluidity in the current, with the current, right? And resisting and pushing against the current or upstream is what I find that I've been hearing a lot of people doing. Only because they're very attached to that old persona, that old form of being. Yes, it is a death. There is a decay. That's what's going on right now. Just like the caterpillar to the chrysalis. And even yet, when the cocoon and the butterfly are fully ready, the butterfly's ready to kind of burst out of that, like the phoenix rising from the ashes of that previous form and death. That decay has happened and there's this transformation, this gestation. I don't know if we've been or have actually reached that gestation just yet. I think we're still in the decay. Yet when there's that gestation, that's that transformation. It's like caterpillar to butterfly. And what yet is to come is our own personal struggles as the butterfly presses against the cocoon to eventually peer into the world, the new form. But it's in that struggle from the very core of that butterfly's vast new transformation that the blood has to move from the full body into the wings. And that's what appears to be the struggle in the cocoon. It's moving the blood into the wings. Where are you in this whole transformation? Are you willing to grieve, to let go, and see the death as an incarnation for something greater? I think that's one of the bigger pieces around, the yoga philosophies and philosophy of life. If we could all just awaken to realize that this form will die. It will die. And death isn't the end, it's a new beginning. From my light to your light, yoga is the option we all have to mindfully move through our deaths, the gestation, the transformation. Join me online, teresagagno.com, and be your sovereign self. Trust, grow, and transform. Then grow and transform and grow. It's cycle of life. From my light to yours. Namaste.